Hi everyone, I'm Andrew from Road Angel, but you can call me Andy. Let's take a moment and have a look at our new Road Angel Pure 1 speed camera detector and road safety assistant. Upon opening the packaging, you'll see the Road Angel Pure 1. A spare 3mm adhesion sticky pad, and the Pure 1 magnetic dash mount with 360 adjustments. You'll also find the dual USB 12-volt socket adapter and a pure 2-meter cable. At the rear, you'll find the micro USB power input. Please plug your device in. This device has an internal supercapacitor and does not feature an internal battery. Now we're powered on. You'll need to get the Pure 1 set up and onboarded. The onboarding process for Pure 1 may have been modified and be slightly different to that shown in the video. In any case, please follow these self-explanatory steps to onboard your device. Please download our brand new and dedicated smartphone app. You can do this by scanning the QR code shown on the screen with your smartphone camera. After scanning the QR code shown on the device screen, please follow the steps for installation of the dedicated smartphone app. Once you have downloaded the smartphone app, please either sign up for a new account or sign into your existing account and continue to follow the onboard steps shown on the Pure 1 screen. It's very simple. Just tap the right button to continue once you have completed each step. Remember, this device does not have a touchscreen. Please follow the onboard steps shown on the device or app screen. Press Add a Device and type your serial number. You'll find this displayed on the screen and the rear of the box. The app or device will direct you accordingly to the next step. Helpful tip: ensure your device can see the sky to connect to the server. After moving your device closer to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi router, configure your Wi-Fi in the app. Please choose your subscription and a download will begin shortly after. After the download is complete, the subscription will be found and your device is ready for use. Pressing the settings button will bring up more options you can use later to set up your user preferences. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy the Road Angel Pure 1.